the four seasons of India. It falls in the month of December and ends in March. We have to face high degree cold and high speed cold winds. In the winter season, night becomes long and day becomes short. Whenever Earth makes a round by 23.5 degrees in the northern hemisphere, it becomes winter season.
Good morning everyone. I, Ajuni, will be telling you about how to keep ourselves safe in winters. There are a few precautions that can give your body a break when the mercury falls. Apply lip balm with lanolin on chapped lips. Dry air drain the moisture right out of nails and leave them delicate to break. To treat them, apply olive oil. Keep a bottle of eye drops to refresh your eyes. To protect sensitive skin by applying thick face cream with a high SPF. To prevent hands from drying out, apply moisturizer after hand washing. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I will be telling you about healthy food taken in winters. As winter is a time for eating warm foods and drinking hot tea. Wheat, millet, maize, gram, mustard leaves, etc. are beneficial. It is during winter one likes to take carrot halwa and preparations of sesame seeds and jaggery. Other food items like groundnuts, dates, oranges, pomegranate and chiku are also beneficial. It is good to eat dates, boiled milk in 2 hours after the evening meals. The use of garlic is also beneficial.
Good morning everyone. I, Chaitanya, will be telling you about how animals protect themselves in winter. To survive the harshness of winter, many animals have developed different behavior adaptations. Migration is a common effect of winter upon animals, notably birds. Some animals sleep during winter and some animals store food for winter and live on it instead of hibernating completely. Some fur-coated mammals grow a heavier coat during the winter. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I, Rishim, will be telling you about winter festivals. Winter season of festivals includes various festivals that have different cultures, different traditions and customs. Some famous festivals are Diwali, when all the houses are decorated with arches and festoons. Gurpurab, the most sacred festival of Sikh. It is celebrated by lighting lamps.
Good morning everyone. I am Nishika will be telling you about winter festivals. Christmas, the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ, is celebrated with great cheer and enthusiasm. That includes carols, singing, decorating Christmas trees and children waiting for their gift from their dear friend Santa. Lodi, the famous festival of Punjab that connects with fire and includes Bhangra dance. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I, Vani, will be telling you about activities that can be done in winters. We can enjoy many winter activities according to the interest and condition of weather, such as ice skating, ice biking, ice hockey, skiing, snowball fighting, building snowman, snow castle and many more activities. Thank you.
Wow, that was so knowledgeable.
Thank you, friends.
Friends, you know what? This is something that we still did not tell our friends.
Really, I think we have covered everything about winter,
presenting you a winter ball. Are you ready?
Hold your breath now, as here we go.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, children of 1B. That was an amazing winter ball. Did you all enjoy it?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's thank Kamal ma'am and the students of 1B for showing us such a wonderful ball. And what are you wearing the caps? Yes, and I'm wearing the coat. And ma'am is wearing boots. Yes, I can see ma'am wearing boots and mufflers. See, all of us are wearing all that. You wearing a cap, woolen cap, yes, because it's cold. Yes, you're also wearing a cap. So did you enjoy? I think that was very nice. The singing was so good. And the modeling, wow, the winter ball was amazing. Thank you so much, ma'am. I wish we could learn from the children. They were very, very graceful. Thank you. And a beautiful, beautiful assembly. Thank you, sir, Robin, sir. The children were amazing. And it really lifted the mood. In the morning it was cold and chilly, but I can feel the sunshine now. Yes? And I think we'll have many more assemblies like that before the spring comes. So thank you, children. All of you performed beautifully. Let's all give them a big round of applause. Some of the children are sitting here and some of them are there. Very nice, very confident and very smart. Thank you. Thank you, Manmeet ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Beautiful assembly.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have English storytelling.